The Toshiro High School Club. This is a few more details about everything that's a part of a being. That is got its own conscience, which in normal beings is the main core, the power core, the spirit, and the soul, and in the other original rulers that's under the Aeon core spark Morus is the main core. The power core, the two beings that will turn into they Aeons and all of they Spirignis Odult and the divine halo, and in the Aeon core spark Morus is the main core, the power core, they Aeons, all of they Spirignis Odult and the divine halo. Now these beings that's a part of each of them with their own separate conscience. It's be like just a temporarily separate conscience, because at any time they could take over the bodies of the beings that's a part of them and move around in they bodies. Because it's really still be them, is just that's how powerful they true self is, that from they awakening birth they already have their own DNA conscience clones, which is actually they original clones who be energy, because one being, even a normal being conscience, to be awaken always have to split itself into 4 parts to balance out they energy power and true potential. That's a other reason they main core borns asleep to protect itself, and as I said before, all species of Aeon core spark Mora's energy naturally makes main cores, power cores, spirits and souls, but they could also be made by the Aeon core spark Moras physically, or by the other original rulers, are very powerful beings physically as well, but even when they are made physically by them, the same thing happens. The main cores only be awaken when it's linked with power cores, and then as the main cores energy and power is stabilized by also linking them to spirits and souls cores, they each power core, spirit and soul gets their own temporarily conscience till they main core wants to take over them. But even if it takes over them, when it releases them again, they still will have back their own same separate conscience again. So that's why each being energy bodies spreads out their energy aura power and true potential into each of the beings that's a part of them that have their own separate consciences from their main core and even their power core. But as I explained before, each being main core is way more powerful than they power core. The Toshiro High School Club spin-off special at the end of all seasons, which they is 14 episodes a season. At the end of all seasons there will be one spin-off episode about the story of the gods.